Alright, beautiful. So I do not have my wig stand with me. I am at home, quarantine time. This wig was crimped before, and as you can see, it has died down with the crimp. So I'm going to make this wig shorter. I'm gonna stop it right here. That's why I have this braid right here. I'm gonna make it shorter, and then I'm gonna add color to here. I'm gonna do the same orange that you see right here, and then I'm gonna do right here black. So it's colored patch black hair, and when I come down, it's gonna be black hair on this part and then colored on the end. So I've been wanting to try this style for the longest. I hope it comes out right, but you'll be seeing the process. So well, fingers crossed that it comes out cute and the vision that I have for it. So yeah, I just realized I didn't do my intro. So hey beautifuls, it's Ashley Desires. I'm here again with another video. I know the video already started, but I realized I didn't do my intro. I was so quick into showing y'all this wig because I was so happy to like get this done. I've been wanting to do this wig for the longest, but as you can see, I already bleached like more than half of my hair, and I wanted to show you guys me bleaching the hair. I did use BW2 bleaching powder, and then I use Ion Brilliance 40 volume developer. I do like Ion Brilliance 40 volume. I like the developers because it keeps the hair super soft, but I don't feel like it lifts as much as I would like it to, but it does keep your hair soft. And I wish I would have kept it on this a little bit longer, but still at the end of the day, the color did come out, but I wish I would have kept it just a little bit longer, just for my preference. Right now, I am putting the bleach onto the hair, and I'm going to go not all the way up. I'm going to go to where maybe like, I would say that's probably like good 3 inches or 2. Let me get on my ruler. Yes, this is real time, honey. We are getting into it. Let me get my ruler, girl. I would say that's a good 3 inches. Yeah, that's a good 3 inches. I went back to go on the other side of the hair because I realized I did go a little bit higher on one side, so I wanted to make it all even. So that's what I'm doing right now. So after I was done putting the bleach onto this wig, I let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes, and then I washed it out with water, and I shampooed it with the Shimmer Lights shampoo, and I conditioned it with the Suave Color Care, and I let it sit on there for a while. After that, I washed it out, let it air dry, and I'm going to color this wig using Adore Orange Blaze only at the ends. So like I said before, I want to keep it from a black going to orange. I wanted to keep this look going on. I just like that orange color. I felt like it was very bright and pretty, and I have never really tried orange before. So when I saw how it looked on my skin, I was like, oh, I like this color. Now, I did say I was going to put black onto that green area of the patch, but I was like, let me just leave it green. I like the look of this wig, and I just wanted to keep it the same, so I'm not going to add any black to that orange part. I'm depositing the color onto the hair, and soon you'll see how this wig looks, and I'll start styling it. as you can see, I am almost done. Well, I'm actually done with putting the color on the hair. I let it sit for 4 hours, like I said. But I just wanted to show you guys how this wig looks with the color on it. I feel like this wig took the color very, very well. Did not say before, but this wig is from Beautyful Desires, my collection. It is a 13x6 lace front wig, and look how she looks. Now, I already done started styling already. The crimps are at the bottom of this area. Right now, I'm at the top. I'm going to use a hot comb to flatten out the top of this wig to make sure that it's flat. And I use a little bit of spritz. It's not spritz, got to be spray. You could use a wax stick, but I didn't have my wax stick with me, so I used the got to be spray to make sure that it stays down. There's no fancy way of me doing this. All I did was add some bio silk to this hair, and right now, to keep these crimps nice and tight but not too crunchy, I'm going to use a little bit of the got to be spray. I don't try to spray it like so close to the hair. I do it far away so it won't come out crunchy, and that it will come out with a nice luster to it, and it will still be defined. Okay, you never want your crimps to look too crunchy unless you like that look, but to me, I don't feel like crunchy crimps look cute. So I like how my crimps came out. This 3-barrel waver is from Amazon. It is Hot Tools 3-barrel waver, and I've had this thing for a very long time, and I just love the crimps that it makes, because it stays for a very long time and they are very defined. And if you do it right, your crimps will come out like this. It's not going to come out flat, and it won't die down too fast. If you do it right, your crimps will not die down fast. I believe some people wear these crimps for like 2 weeks, and after them last 2 days, that's when it's time to, re-crimp your hair. But these crimps do stay on for a very long time. But I am almost done with crimping this wig. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to me. Follow me on Instagram at Beautyful Desires, and I cannot wait to show you all how this wig looks on me after I installed it. See you guys in the next video. All right, bye.